In today's episode of Damn Nature, You Scary, we have the epic battle of bear versus human. Today's location set our opponents within a convenience market, where we now observe their food foraging and gathering techniques upon entering the store. The bear shows us its skilled techniques and finesse at gathering food. See how the bear is able to grasp his desired items and efficiently exit the store. Our human shows us the slightly different and more unusual approach. If we listen closely, one can hear the sounds of the bear with their foraging grunts and groans. And now we listen to the unique and colourful sounds from our human specimen.
This is so funny. This is so funny. Now funny is it? Now funny is it? It ain't that funny now, is it, bitch? It ain't that funny now, is it? It ain't that funny now.
Yes, let us out.
This is so goddamn funny. Now this is so funny. This is so funny.
Here we have a large breed of North American bear, as it moves much more slowly, choosing to eat in place versus taking his meal outside. Great care should be taken not to make quick movements or disturb these great beasts during feeding and gathering times, so as not to agitate them. Another rare breed of bear, known as the Karen, now displays its fast-paced gathering techniques and more rapid, erratic movements. Here we see the full efficiency of the bear's technique. Entering and exiting the store with ease, noting that our human counterpart is beginning to show signs of frustration and fatigue, unable to free themselves from the location. With extra time to observe and enjoy their surroundings, the great bear now takes pride in their work. This has been another installment of Damn Nature, You Scary. Cheers.